What's good, YouTube? It's E. Reap, and I'm back with another clothing haul, as you can tell from the title. I've been sitting on this stuff for a while. I was waiting on Travis Scott, the last piece from Travis Scott to come, and it finally came today. And if you know anything about ordering from Travis Scott or Cactus website, shipping takes forever. I think I ordered the last two shirts. I want to say, I think it was May 28th. And what is it, July 24th. So I've been waiting a while for this. So let's get into it. I have, of course, Travis Scott merch. I have Chinatown Market and Union. Let's go ahead and get into it. And if there's any sneaker review that I have on my channel that'll match any particular shirt, I'll definitely link that up top there somewhere throughout the video. Okay, we have the receipt. And these are the Black Lives Matter shirts from Union. This is the first one. We'll open it up. I know all proceeds from these particular items went towards the, I want to say it went towards, I think it split up between a few of the Black Lives Matters like groups to help out and everything. I don't want to say the wrong foundation on my video, so I'm not even going to go there. But the proceeds did go to a good cause, as well as Chinatown Market when I get into that package. So there's the first one. You can see, you got the Union, the Black Lives Matter, and I can't tell who that is right there. And then on the back, you see Black Lives Matter. It's kind of like it's not a pure white, but it's not like a cream either. Can't really tell. And it looks kind of big for a large too, but you know, it's all good. The second one was my favorite out of the two. Boom. Check out that flag. You already know what time it is. And then the back of the shirt. I can't breathe. Erase racism by any means necessary. Yeah, basta. No justice, no peace. Hands up, don't shoot. Say their names. Hold on, can I get everything? Yeah, stop killing. Stop killing us. Ballot or the bullet. Then you got the power to the people. Did I miss one? Turn up, don't turn down. I'm definitely a big fan of this one. I want to say this is like a charcoal gray, or maybe like a washed black, like a faded black. But yeah, like I said, this is definitely my favorite out of the bunch. And when I ordered it, I thought it was a pure black, because I was gonna match this up with the Animal Instinct 3s. So yeah, I would definitely go ahead and link that video above, so you're gonna check that out, see what you think if that matches up with this shirt. But I'm gonna wear it anyway. So that's the Union merch. What's the next? Okay, this is one of the Travis Scott packages. Okay, this was the Cactus Jack and LeBron collab for the 2020 graduates. You see that, class of 2020. We're all in this together. Then you have the LeBron uninterrupted. And then on the back, you have the bigger logo, class of 2020. So you can see that. Yeah. With this one, I would definitely, yeah, I'll match this up with the Coachellas. Cause you have the colors on the back. I probably could do this with the Coachellas or the Carolina Nights. Oh no, the Platinums. They're called the Platinums because they changed the Carolina. But yeah, like I'll link that up there as well. Both of those videos. What's next? I'll do the Chinatown Market. And the like I said earlier, the proceeds for this release went to charity as well, or the Black Lives Matter movement, or the foundation. Like I said, I don't want to get the wrong organization, so it went to the Black Lives Matters cause. I don't know like which organization or which particular group, but you got the fuck racism tee. You know, all white tee with the fuck racism on the front, nothing on the back. And every t-shirt here is a size large. I would link, you know, the websites and everything down at the bottom, but everything right now is sold out that I'm showing you. I mean, I will still link their I'll still link the website and IG if they have one, so you can keep up with like the latest drops or if they have restocks. Then I also have the black one. Same thing, all black with the fuck racism. I think we can all agree, no matter what color you are, that, you know, this message right here needs to be heard. Hope you hear us loud and clear. Then last but not least, this package came today. Not sure when I'm gonna get this video out to you guys, but yeah, July 24th. And I ordered this May 28th. Well, let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah. I don't think it's too bright. Oh, there you go. Order date 5/28/2020. They generated the order July 12th. And I'm just getting it now. So yeah. For future reference, if you order anything from Cactus Jack apparel wise, they do have a disclaimer. Said it'll take 4 to 5 weeks for shipping. But I think this particular release, it was delayed even more. But yeah, if you order it, just you'll get it within 2 months. So it's one of those things like you order it and you forget about it, and it shows up at your doorstep like, oh, I forgot I ordered this. So it'll be like Christmas. So just don't expect to get anything ASAP when you order from Travis Scott. I think these two tees released around the time his Air Max 720s came out. And I was definitely trying to get the shoe, but that didn't happen. Struck out terribly. But I mean, I got 2 pieces of merch that I really like. I know the color will look different on the website, but this is all black. I guess it has like the footprints. I want to say it's like a gray, bluish gray. Then on the back, what's on the back? Got the Cactus Natural Performance Technology. I guess they're like the Blazing Trails. I guess he's like rock climbing or something. Since '92, and then you have the Houston, Texas, with that Cactus Jack logo. It's all in, well, it's not embroidered, but it's like a raised, like a raised screen print, if that makes sense. Like, it's definitely 3D for sure, right? I know that's the correct term, at least it's 3D, but the material I'm not sure about. So yeah, it's the Cactus Jack. And this one Okay. So this was like the running tee, I guess, the marathon or something. So you got the Cactus Trails Association. Then it looks like, you know, they're running a marathon or something. Then you also have the Cactus Jack logo in the middle. Then on the back, you have the Cactus Trails, the same like raised rubber material with the red like mountain peak. So as far as the colorway is dope. Off the top of my head, I cannot think of any shoe that I made a review on that'll match up with this, but by the time I upload it and everything, if there's a video to match up with it, like shoe-wise, I would definitely link that. But yeah, that's my little clothing haul. So let's go ahead and recap real quick. And I believe my favorite piece would be the Union Black Lives Matter shirt. And followed by the fuck racism. But just because, like, no matter where you go, it's gonna be a conversation starter. Or you're gonna get some looks. So, and if you know me, you know, I'm with it. As you can see, you know, I got the Kaepernick on, so it doesn't bother me when I'm out in public with anything controversial. You know, this was a cool little collab since, you know, we were going through this pandemic and everything, and a lot of the seniors didn't have like a traditional senior year with prom and graduation and everything. So I want to say that the proceeds went, I can't remember now, it's been so long, but this was another one, they donated the proceeds to certain organizations. But yeah, this is definitely by far my favorite piece. Just because the colors, the material is a thick material, so you know it won't like shrink in the wash. It already has a pre-wash look, and then also, man, you got the messages. Like, this is another one of those conversation starters out in public. And then, you know, you got the Black Lives Matter. Like, come on, man. You couldn't go wrong either way with any of these tees that I purchased. They all have a great message. They all, you know, donated the proceeds to certain organizations to further the movement, get the word out, get the message out, man. So yeah, like I said, if I can find any video that I already uploaded, I will link that up top to match the tees so you can try to get a feel of my direction I was going with, like with certain colors. But the main thing is, you know, I just wanted to support the movement any way that I can, especially getting like a dope t-shirt to actually wear the slogans, you know, wear the message, support the movement, like not behind the scenes, but like in your face. I'm walking down the street or walking into your establishment with the Black Lives Matter, with the slogans on the back. So yeah. Remember, the officers that murdered Breonna Taylor are still free. We still need justice. No justice, no peace. We will be heard. Black lives still matter. Don't ever forget it. It's been your boy, Eat I Read. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.